Intermittent fasting has gained a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your health and fitness goals. In today's video, we'll break down what intermittent fasting is, the different methods, its benefits and drawbacks, and how you can get started today. Let's start with the basics. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. There are various ways to structure your fasting periods, but the goal is to allow your body to enter a fasted state, which can lead to numerous health benefits. Fasting has been practiced for centuries for cultural and religious purposes, but recent studies have shown that it can help with weight loss, improve metabolic health, and extend lifespan. There are several methods of intermittent fasting, and it's important to find the one that fits your lifestyle and preference. 16-8 method. This is one of the most popular methods. You fast for 16 hours and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. and fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day. 5-2 diet. With this method, you eat normally for 5 days of the week and restrict your calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 days. Eat, stop, eat. This involves fasting for 24 hours once or twice a week. For example, you might stop eating dinner one day and not eat again until dinner the next day. Alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, you alternate between days of normal eating and days of fasting or very low calorie intake. Warrior diet. This method involves eating small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables during the day and have one large meal at night, typically within a 4-hour eating window. Intermittent fasting offers numerous health benefits, but it's also important to be aware of potential drawbacks. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting can help you reduce calorie intake and burn fat. Improved metabolic health. It can lower blood sugar, insulin levels, and inflammation. Enhanced mental clarity. Some people report better focus and concentration during fasted periods. Simplified lifestyle. Fewer meals to plan and prepare can simplify your day. Drawbacks. Hunger and cravings. The initial adjustment period can be challenging. Social disruption. Fasting schedules can sometimes interfere with social meals and events. It's not suitable for everyone. People with certain medical conditions or nutritional needs should consult a healthcare professional before starting intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for improving your health, but it's very important to find a method that works for you. If you need guidance, click the link below and fill out my online coaching application with customized nutrition and fitness plans tailored to your specific needs and goals. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions on intermittent fasting, and stay tuned for more great content. Catch you guys in the next video.